Hello there, and today I'll be showing you how to import and download animations from Miximo to Unreal Engine. So first thing you're going to do is go to the Miximo website right here and find like any character here. I'll put James here, and you go download. Then for some pose.fbx, press download. Right here, you see right here it's being downloaded. Go back here and go to import character. Don't pick a skeleton because it will automatically import its own skeleton with it. Press import all. Textures with it. Yeah, now it's like animations. I'll just say we want for a walking animation. Now, with like importing like these moving animations, it is important to do in place. Otherwise, it'll just be like looping over. You can like choose how fast you want it to go, like how many frames. And make sure you do without skin. Now you choose the mesh you want. Here. See right here, you have the walking animation. There you are. Now, what happens when you do like, don't, this is what happens when you forget to do doing. This is what happens when you forget to check in place mode. Or no. Like just this difference between you if you press in place and don't check in place. So make sure you always check in place, otherwise it'll just do that if you ever make like a character blueprint. Just keep on just like that. And so that'll be it. Thanks for watching.